engine number 9, coming down that railroad line. How much farther back did she get off? The old brown suitcase that she carried, I've looked for it everywhere. It just ain't here among the rest, and I'm a little upset. Just tell me, engine number 9, coming down that railroad line. I know she got on in Baltimore. 110 miles ain't much distance, but it sure do make a difference. I don't think she loves me anymore. I warned her of dangers. Don't speak to strangers. If by chance she finds her new romance, warm her lips to kiss her, arms to hold her tighter, stirring new fires inside her. How I wish that it was me instead of he that stands beside her. Engine number 9, coming down that railroad